All right, guys, Mikey here from the Electric Scooter Guy. Guys, I finally got the lights fixed. Well, the brake lights fixed on the Dualtron Ultra 2. As you can see, let's turn it on. Hit the back brake. Look at that, guys. Wow. Look at that. You remember I told you when I would turn it to the left, it would work. And then when I would turn it to the right, it wouldn't work. Well, now you turn it to the left, you turn it to the right, and it works. The front brakes work too. So I couldn't be happier. Now I have to bring my KAABO Wolf Warrior 11 Plus back to Fluid Free Ride Tuesday because I'm getting a ton of creaking and cracking noise coming from the folding mechanism on my KAABO Wolf Warrior. It started doing that, right? But then I would put WD-40 on the folding mechanism and it would go away. But now the WD-40 isn't working and it just keeps making like a creaking and cracking noise. It sounds like the front end is going to crack in half. So my warranty is up September 1st. So I'm going back there Tuesday, which is right before September 1st. They're going to honor the warranty and fix it because I ain't having it. No way. No way. That KAABO Wolf Warrior 11 Plus is in mint condition. I only put, 800 miles on it? It shouldn't be doing that. But the Dualtron is perfect. It is perfect. The steering damper made all the difference in the world. Even the double clamps, the double clamping system. Let me tell you guys something. This definitely tightened up the stem. And that steering damper is just amazing. I got it on the perfect setting. And guess what, guys? You don't feel like you're going to fucking fall off the bike and kill yourself. No, seriously, if you turn the wheel a little bit too much to the left or a little bit too much to the right, you'll fall off the bike and fucking kill yourself. No, seriously, it was very sketchy. So the steering damper was one of the best things that I ever did to this scooter. And I got, you see the two red washers? I got the red washers for all the screws on the deck. And then I got a Minimotors tow handle. It says Minimotors in white with the red washers on the side. It's going to look really, really good when it's done. I just wish that I had the Dualtron Storm kickstand. And I wish it had the Dualtron Storm or the Dualtron Thunder neck that says Dualtron right here. And that lights up and says Dualtron. But I guess you can't have it all, right, guys? I mean, I love this scooter. Some people say it looks a little dated because of the deck, but not really. I think the back kick plate makes it look great. It makes it look more aerodynamic and more aesthetic. Like when you're riding the bike, it looks totally different when it's, not on the kickstand. But anyways, guys, just want to let you know, got the brakes working. So happy. Couldn't be happier. And I'm going to go for a nice long ride today down to Manhattan, down to the city, and just have a great time with my Dualtron Ultra 2 because I can't ride the KAABO Wolf Warrior. So guys, just wanted to give you an update on the Dualtron. Mikey from the Electric Scooter Guy. Peace out.